So Toyota's coming out with a Tundra variant that's going to compete with the F-150 Raptor. This is the first spy shot we have of it from Car and Driver, and it looks mean. This Tundra clearly has the off-road look and what appears to be the hardware to get the job done. So looks alone, obviously this thing looks aggressive. It's got a nice lift kit on it. It's got the wide body fenders on it, front and rear. It looks to be running 37-inch BFG KO3 all-terrain tires, steel bumpers front and rear, and a serious suspension setup underneath with a lot of heavy-duty hardware. Now, I want your thoughts on this down in the comments, because I think this is a category Toyota's been missing out on for a while. I mean, Ram's been in it for a while with the Raptor, with the RHO, and the TRX. Silverado's got the ZR2, although I don't think that's quite as extreme. This is a truck I think Toyota needs, and I think it's going to sell really well. Now, looks here from the back side of it, again, the camouflage on the wide body fenders. I don't know why it's only partially camouflaged. We can clearly see their wide body fenders. The front one has a little vent there and behind the front tire, but the steel bumpers are a nice touch. Looks like we got some LED lights mounted to them. And we can only suspect that there's going to be a long travel suspension setup under here. You can already tell that there's a lot of upgrading going on underneath of this truck. And from this angle, you can even see the lower control arms in the front are quite beefy. Looks like a big, thick box steel lower control arm that's ready to take some punishment. Now, by looking at the front end, we can see it's a very low profile steel bumper on the front, which leaves tons of ground clearance, as well as approach angle. I mean, if we're going to compare it to the Raptor, I would definitely say this is a far more aggressive look to the Tundra than it is the Raptor. But this is also a prototype, so this may not be what we're going to get on the showroom floor once it's all said and done, but it's going to be pretty close. But this truck looks mean. There's a shot from the very back of it, so you can see how wide the rear fenders are in comparison to what a stock Tundra is. And it's got the look. It's got that Raptor feel, but obviously with a Tundra. So you know you're going to get some Toyota reliability out of this. If you want a serious off-roader, you like the Raptor, you want something more reliable though, because, well, let's be honest, between Ford and Toyota, Toyota's going to win hands down. But I think this is a good direction that Toyota's going in. I'm pretty excited about this truck, and I want to know what your thoughts are in the comments. If you think this is something Toyota should have came out with a long time ago, do you think this is going to sell? Is it too little too late? I mean, there's a lot of different opinions going on with this truck right now, but me personally, I like it. I think it's a great move on Toyota's part to have a truck that's going to compete with some of the more extreme off-road variants that we're getting from the big three, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. And I think this is definitely going to sell. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll catch you in the next upload.